Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to solve the error module not found error can't resolve logo.svg. You will be getting this error when you run your React app. So let's get started with the solution. So the main reason why you are getting this error is because you have forgotten to remove this line import logo from logo.svg after deleting that particular logo thing. So you'll be having that blue color React.js logo, right? So you have just deleted that logo and you have then tried to run your program and you have forgotten to remove the import. So the simplest way to solve this problem is obvious. Just remove this import. So I'll just remove this import, saving it now, and here you can see that I'm getting webpack compiled successfully, and if I go to my browser I'm getting this text that I'm having over here. Yeah, this paragraph tag. So I hope you would have found this video useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done many tutorials in C, C++, Java, Python, Node.js, React.js, MongoDB, MySQL, Spring Boot, CRUD operations. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.